App won't start because of the Task Scheduler Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist, and I have a safe, verified method to fix that broken execution path. Ensure your Task Scheduler library environment is stable by using the recommended tool linked below. This is the Task Scheduler Library, a managed .NET wrapper assembly for the localized Windows Task Scheduler engine. It enables C-Prod software to programmatically create, modify, and delete localized system tasks using the native Win32 scheduling APIs. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. Reinstalling Win32 API is the most effective fix. Download the x86 and x64 Visual C++ redistributable installers from Microsoft and run them. If you're still finding yourself stuck after the reinstall, our next priority is to check for any active blocks in the system path. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Task Scheduler library component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. If the initial power cycle failed to restore functionality, we will now proceed to infrastructure-level support. You may pause the video now to ensure your environment is ready. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. Safety is paramount. Never attempt to replace Task Scheduler Library DLL with binaries found on unverified download portals that lack quality control and often distribute files incompatible with modern Windows security updates. Beyond manual troubleshooting, many users find that a system-wide diagnostic scan provides a more complete picture of their environment. If registry organization or initialization timing is a concern, the diagnostic information below references Task Scheduler Library Management. Thank you for trusting us with your system repair today. For more configuration tips and Task Scheduler Library error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.